But do you recall most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose like the light bulb. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like the light bulb. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never let him go, Rudolph, join in any reindeer games like Monopoly. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, 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 Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him, as they shouted out with glee, yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history like George Washington.
This last is Silent Night, and we've left sheep scattered on the tables and the chairs. They're going to sing 3 verses of Silent Night, and they would love for you to join in. And don't worry about your voice. If it's like mine, you still have to sing regardless. And what better joy